Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Success is not an accident, it is the result of your attitude, and your attitude is a choice. Winners see the gain, losers see the pain. If you believe you can, you probably can. If you believe you won't, you most assuredly won't. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Success is not just about making money. It's about making a difference. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Success is not in what you have, but who you are. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Your time is your life. Don't waste it. Invest it wisely. The greatest risk in life is not taking risks. If you want to shine like the sun, you have to burn like it too. Believe in yourself, and the rest will fall into place. Success is not just about being better than someone else, but about being better than you used to be. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Success is not for those who wish, but for those who work hard. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Success is not about how much money you make, but about how many lives you touch. You don't drown by falling in the water. You drown by staying there. If you don't value your time, neither will others. Stop giving away your time and talents, start charging for it. People who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents. Take responsibility for your own happiness. Never put it in someone else's hands. Success is not about the destination, it's about the journey. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Success is not about being better than others. It's about being better than your previous self. A winner never whines. Thank you for watching.